Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 2008 Ford Focus and this is by Hotwheels. So let's open and see how it looks. So here it is. Here's a closer look of it. Okay, this one looks really nice. The paint job and finishing, everything looks really good. So here is a look at the interior. The spoilers are made of metal. The whole body is made of metal in this one. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing, and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.